UTI is a very common infection, and as we go into this festive season, I have come up with about 7 ways we can prevent urinary tract infection or UTI. Welcome back to Comfort Home Nursing Care YouTube channel. If you're new here or you've just come across this channel, I'm called Sarah Adong and I'm working with Comfort Home Nursing Care Services. In Comfort Home Nursing Care Services, we give bedside nursing to patients at the convenience of their own homes or at the comfort of your own home. We come to your home, we have nurses that live in, or they come and give you treatment or care at the convenience of your own home. Our services include post-surgery and wound care, elderly nursing care, stroke recovery, palliative care, early discharge from hospital, nursing consultation, physiotherapy, dementia care, cancer care, and diabetic care. If these are the services you are interested in, please contact us on our numbers on the screen. We are located in Chireka along Namugongo Road. All right, let's go straight to our topic of today, as being how to avoid urinary tract infection or ways to prevent urinary tract infection. But first of all, what is urinary tract infection? Urinary tract infection is an infection or a bacterial infection, a fungal infection of the urinary tract system. And the urinary tract system includes the urethra that brings out the urine in both men and female, also the bladder that helps to keep the urine, and also the ureter that coordinates the bladder to the kidney, and the kidney itself that helps to make urine. So that is a whole set of urinary tract system. So when the urinary tract system becomes sick, or when it gets invaded by bacteria or fungal infection, it becomes a urinary tract infection. So let's go to how to avoid the urinary tract infection. Number 1 is to drink plenty of water. When you take a lot of water, you become hydrated. It helps you to urinate all the time, therefore flushing out the bacteria that could be holding on your urinary tract system. It is better to drink at least 4 to 6 cups of water or glasses of water in one day. Therefore, it will help you to urinate frequently, so you'll be able to flush out the bacteria that could cause the urinary tract system. Let's go to our number 2. Wipe from front to back. What do I mean here? When you go to urinate or when you go to do number 2, that is maybe to poo-poo, you have to wipe from front to back. That is from the private area to the anal area, because there are a lot of bacteria in the anal area. So when you wipe from the anal area to the private part, sometimes you might be bringing bacteria, bad bacteria from the anal area into introducing bad bacteria from the anal area to the genital area. So it will cause bacterial infection and it will lead to urinary tract infection. So it is good to wipe from front to back, not the other way around. Okay, let's go to number 3. Our number 3 is urinate after sex. It is very important to urinate immediately after sex, because the 2 organs are rubbing each other, so there is high possibility of the bacteria from moving from the anal area into the urinary tract system. So every time you urinate after sex, you help yourself by flushing out bacteria that could have entered during sexual intercourse. It's also important to urinate before sex and after sexual intercourse. Our 4th point is avoid holding pee or avoid holding urine. Whenever you feel like you want to urinate, don't wait for so long, because every time you hold your urine for a long time, you make the bacteria to grow into the bladder, because the bladder is that pot that keeps urine. So just imagine keeping this urine from morning up to evening. It will help bacteria to grow more, therefore causing urinary tract infection. So you have to urinate all the time. Don't wait for your bladder to be full, like fully full, and then you run to urinate. Make sure you always urinate. Go to the bathroom and try to urinate along the day. This also is important mostly for pregnant women. It is important that you have to urinate all the time, because most times when you're pregnant, your chances of getting a urinary tract infection is very high. So it is important you have to urinate most of the time. Don't hold the urine. Number 5, this festive season, try to limit the number of your sexual partners. Don't have a lot of many sexual partners. If possible, stick to one person, because the number of your sexual partners, you're exposing yourself to a lot of urinary tract infection. So you have to limit your sexual partners. If possible, stick to one, so that you protect yourself from getting urinary tract infection, because at least if you have one sexual partner, you'll be able to at least test and treat yourselves within that one partner. Number 6, take probiotic supplements or take probiotics. What are probiotics? Probiotics, these are living microorganisms that when you introduce to your body, it prevents bad bacteria from growing into your body or growing into your urinary tract system. So what are these probiotics? They are probiotic supplements that you just take them like any other medicine, or they are also probiotic suppositories that you just put into your vagina. Also, you can use yogurt, fermented foods like yogurt. They help. They are also probiotics. They help the urinary tract system from getting bad bacteria. For them, they are good bacteria. So when you introduce them into your body, they stop the bad bacteria that can cause urinary tract infection. Our last point is consume cranberries. Cranberries, these are fruits. They are fruits that you can get from supermarkets or streets. They help the body in fighting the bad bacteria also, like probiotics. But the cranberries, this you can get it from home. You can consume them at home. So they help prevent the bad bacteria from sticking along the urinary tract system. They avoid the bad bacteria from growing along your urinary tract system or sticking on the wall of the urinary tract system. So when you consume them, they are very good. They will stop you from getting urinary tract infection. Also, because of the vitamin C that is in the cranberries, they tend to increase the acidity in urine. Therefore, the bad bacteria is also going to die. Also, because of the vitamin C as well, they also help to improve or increase your immunity. It boosts your immunity. Therefore, your body will be able to fight the bacteria that could have caused the urinary tract infection. So that is all I have for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that every time we put a video, you'll be able to get the notification that we've uploaded a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.